We are unsafe in our blackness, and we are unsafe in our transness because your imagination does not include black people. When black is the trannies looking to be liberated, there are many reasons why people refuse to choose to see beyond their own experiences, and there is black trans death and black queer violence in there, and behind each of those reasons and behind each of those opinions, I don't want to die on the waiting list. So I'm done asking, can I come? I'm demanding that you come with me, because our freedom begins with our freedom to be.